Hello everyone, welcome back, and today's video is going to be on the super easy 5 minutes makeup look. So if you don't want to wake up and go like this to your college or your office and want to give yourself a more polished look, then let's just get started with this video. So I'm applying my Patanjali Aloe Vera gel. I quite like this as a primer and that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm applying my daytime cream. This is Fab India De Pigmentation cream. And I'm just going to do some color correcting underneath my eyes because that is something I cannot avoid absolutely. Because if I just go ahead and apply a concealer like over the course of the day, the concealer will start looking gray. So here I'm applying NYX HD Foundation. This is a lightweight foundation, gives medium coverage, doesn't make the face look cakey. So I'm going to apply that. If you want to avoid foundation, you can go ahead and apply a BB cream or cancel out the foundation altogether. It's not a compulsory step, but I am for this look using a foundation. And next I'm just going to apply my MAC Prep and Prime concealer. This one is in dark, the shade is dark. I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes as my concealer, and whatever is left goes on my lids because they are pigmented as well. So if you don't have pigmented lids, you don't have to apply any concealer up on your lids. Using the same beauty blender, and I'm using a beauty sponge for like a quick makeup routine because this is like just one thing you have to use. You don't have to use too many like brushes, so it's easy. Now I'm just going to set my face with a powder. Again, I'm using the same sponge. I'm using the NYX Hydro Matte powder, and I'm not covering like my entire face with it. I'm just under my eyes and on my nose. I need some color on my face, so I'm going to quickly use a blush. You can either use a blush or a bronzer or both if you like. You have an extra minute, but for this look I just kept it very fresh and simple, so I just avoided the bronzer altogether. Maybe in another look I'll show the look with a bronzer. I'm just applying the blush on both my cheeks obviously, and then moving on to the eyebrows. Since I have eyebrows, you need eyebrows, like you have to fill your eyebrows to look more awake, more polished, more put together. So I'm just using, and pencil is like the quickest way to get your eyebrows out of the way. So I'm using again NYX pencil. I really love this pencil. This is in dark brown. Just find your shade and go with it. It's very easy to use. I really love this. Now you don't have to do an eye makeup if you're running short on time, but this is a very quick look. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a big ass fluffy blending brush and I'm just applying, I just dipped it ever so lightly in the blush and I'm just running that. As you can see, it's hardly even showing up. Next, I'm just taking a black eyeshadow on a flat brush, and I'm just I'm almost smudging it out, so it's not like a black smoky eye in the morning, nothing like that. Just a very light wash of color on the lids. And then I'm applying a liquid liner. You might never ever see me using a liquid liner. This is your chance to see this. So yeah, I'm just applying a liquid eyeliner, just curling my lashes. As you can see, on the other eye, my lashes are like just straight down. So I need to curl them, apply a waterproof mascara because that makes the look, the lashes stay up longer. And this is Lakme 9 to 5 Rosy Sunday. Very easy, like a daytime appropriate office wear type of a lipstick. So yeah, here you go. This is the look. If you don't want to look like this and want to look like this, these are the simple steps you have to follow. I hope you all enjoyed this quick video, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.